y'all, your girl is looking very busted. I have been in the bed all day and I need to make myself look like something. So you guys, this is my very first time actually trying out makeup. So make sure your hands are clean for this step. I'm going ahead and rubbing my foundation in. And y'all let me know in the comment section down below what y'all think my foundation color is, y'all. I really am not sure. This is the Caramel Neutral Undertones, and this is number 450. As you guys can probably tell, I'm a little bit under the weather. My allergies have been acting up. Your girl does not have the Rona. Pray for me though. So here I'm just going ahead and smoothing out my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use this contour and blush palette. So I'm going to be using this cocoa color powder and this darker rose color. So I'm just going to line my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin, and I'm going to blend that in with my blender brush. And then I'm going to do the same for the rose colored one. Now you guys, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of my e.l.f. highlight, and this is in the Apricot Glow shade. And y'all know I love highlight. I use it all the time, but I usually don't do like a full face of makeup. So this is my first time using it with like a full face of makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try and blend it in on my nose, my cheeks, and a little bit at my chin. And y'all, I got this from Ulta Beauty, and this was $4. I forgot to mention the prices of the other items. The foundation was $2.97, and the contour palette that I got from HomeGoods was like $6. So I am using my Perfect Precision Lip Liner by LA Girl, and I also purchased this from Ulta Beauty, and this was $2.75. And y'all, I just really like doing like a lip liner and then putting some gloss on it. I just think it's super cute. Now I'm going in with my beauty supply store lip gloss. I know y'all all have seen this at the register when you go to checkout, sis. This is the lip gloss that I use all the time. This was like 99 cents, y'all. Super cheap, and it gets the job done. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my lashes together, and this is my Maybelline Lash Defining Mascara, and this is in like the dark brown color. I don't get exactly black because I just feel like, I don't know, my hair color is not jet black. It's sort of like a really deep brown, and that's what this mascara color is. And sis, somehow it looks like the look is coming together, girl, but this hair, we gotta do something. So I'm gonna take care of this hair real quick, and I'm gonna be back.